Perfect jelly slice. Start by greasing an 18 by 28 cm slice pan and line the base and sides with baking paper. Next, place the biscuits in a food processor and process until finely crushed. Add the butter and process until well combined. Press the biscuit mixture evenly over the base of the pan, then pop in the fridge for 30 minutes to chill. Now place the boiling water in a heat-proof jug. Sprinkle with the gelatin and stir until the gelatin dissolves. Allow to cool slightly. Place the condensed milk and the lemon juice in a medium bowl and whisk to combine. Add the gelatin mixture and whisk until well combined. Pour over the biscuit base, then place in the fridge for 1 hour or until set. Next, place the jelly crystals in a heat-proof jug. Pour over the extra boiling water and stir until the crystals dissolve. Then set aside for 20 minutes to cool. Pour the jelly over the condensed milk layer and then carefully return to the fridge for 3 hours or until the slice is set. To serve, transfer the slice to a board and cut into pieces. This jelly slice is a special recipe from Coles Cooking Club member Adam Kent. We love it as it's great for any occasion.